Hey everyone, so this is the last night of the MA show at Locksbrook campus. We've just switched off all the other exhibition spaces and this is my last time with Haven, my creation. And I just didn't feel right unless I said thank you to all the trees that have helped to create the projections behind me that you see and the vessels, and really being guided by Mother Nature during my MA and this project, and all the support of my lecturers and my colleagues. It's been a really amazing year, quite incredible, very intense, but it's really stretched me and challenged me, which is what I wanted. And I got this new way of working, which feels really authentic and special, so I'm very grateful. I really feel sad about taking this exhibition down. It feels like it's created its own energy and soul, if you like, which is partly why I think I've been here so much. I've come in every day of the exhibition to switch on and switch off and put the essential oils into the bowls so people can experience the forest aromas and benefit from the well-being that I've offered. And I really hope people have enjoyed it and felt relaxed in the space and been reminded of the healing power of nature and how we really must spend more time in the forest and looking after our planet. So thank you again, and hopefully I'll be able to do projection again in the future in another show.